Hey, how's it going, my gente? This is another video. 79 Monte Carlo project car. So right here, I'm actually waiting for my brother out here. He's got a 83. Well, anyways, he just bought a car. The dashboard, you guys see how clean it looks? Maybe the camera's a little dusty, but I'm actually doing the repair work. There you go. So I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing here, right? What it was all cracked. It was real fragile like this, but even worse, you know, where the cracks split up and all that. So what you're supposed to do, from what I learned in the hood, is put insulation foam to kind of build a level, because I gotta be honest with you, I used a lot of this stuff right here. I couldn't use Bondo or anything else to try to build that much of the thing that it had. So originally it has some kind of foam or spray foam that they have onto this plastic framing, and yeah, so this is how I learned. You just more or less get it to where you need it, and then you come with a fine blade and you try to cut it real slow and even, as even as you can. And if you can, you want to kind of dip in a little bit, because the first coat of Bondo that you put on there, you want it to get in all the little air bubbles, as you guys can see here. This actually, the whole corner was gone right here, this whole piece. So I fixed it all the way through and through, all the way, so you guys can see. You can't even tell. Looks like magnificent work. Now what happens is, usually to be the vents are throwing out all the hot air or cold air, weathering. You know, this is the hot and cold right here so fast. It's always being weathered, no matter what, with the humidity and stuff like that in between here. And there was also water that was coming in from the pillars. Everybody has that problem all the time. So yeah, I'm just gonna fix that. I just want to show you guys how neat and cool it came out. This whole corner piece was gone from here to there. Actually, you could probably still see some of the Bondo over there. Yeah, right there, you see that? That's from where it was broke off to all the way over there. So I used a lot of the stuff right there, and that's all insulation foam. Look, you guys, it feels like real padding, or it's like padding and everything. It's not too tough. You can still firmly press it, and it has some sponge to it, you know. That's how it originally did. Now the only thing is, you won't get that texture back, or if you overdo it like I did, you'll never get the texture right here like this. But I'm fine with having a smooth or semi-smooth finish. You know, the way it's gonna come out and the way it's supposed to, at least from what I learned, it's supposed to come out smooth like that, all the way through and through. If you guys can see the top. Oh, here, let me clean this up. I also have before and after pictures that I'm gonna want to load up. I have a video too, but it's on my iPhone, so I can't really take it out of there. I don't know if you guys see the back. I kind of half-assed it, but what originally happened, it still looks good though. You can't even tell.